Watch how my cat responds when my wife opened up tuna. Check him out. He can smell it. Watch how he act. Coffee, don't give it to him. Just watch how this cat run. What are you doing? What? You gonna get some? Calm down. You gonna get some. We gotta get our parts first. We give you the leftovers. He is not liking that, man. This dude is active. I think he cussing me out. Are you cussing?
They'll get louder.
Are you cussing?
Hang on just a minute.
Wait. Be patient. Be patient. Listen, we named the cat Patience, and as you see, he has no patience. That was ironic that we did that to be funny. So that's he want it now. You can't have it now. Stop acting like a baby. Stop acting like a big baby. You gonna get some. We gotta feed eyes first. No, wait. See.
You can have his.
Look at that. He was serious about getting some of that tuna. That is a trip. This dude right here is something else, man. You wanted your piece, didn't you? Right then.